How can you simply unlink a Google form from a Google Sheets template? Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to walk you through how you can simply unlink and link a Google form with Google Sheets. Here I am inside my Sheetify CRM Google Sheets template. And this is an all-in-one business toolkit for small businesses. If you're interested in learning more about our dynamic Google Sheets business toolkits, I will add the relevant resources down below in the description. Now, to unlink a Google form with Google Sheets, I'm first going to navigate up to Sheetify. This is our dynamic menu, and go ahead and create a form. And as you can see, that's going to generate a form response sheet. This is a lead generation form feature that we set up inside our Sheetify CRM Google Sheets template. Now, if I navigate up to Tools and then select Manage Form, we can head over to the live form. And this is the live form. Let's head back to Google Sheets. Now, to unlink the form, what we can do is navigate up to Tools and then Manage Form and then click on Unlink Form. Or we can navigate down to the bottom and click on the Sheet tab and select Unlink Form and then click on Unlink. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. Now let's jump back into the Google form. To connect a Google form to an existing or new Google Sheet, simply navigate up to Responses and then click on Link to Sheets. And here we can create a new spreadsheet and change the name here, or select an existing spreadsheet and click on Select. Then select the Google Sheet and then hit Insert. And as you can see, just like that, I showed you how to unlink a Google form with a Google Sheets template, as well as how you can link a Google form to an existing or new Google Sheets template. If you got value from this tutorial, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.